Hey honeys, in this video, I'll be working with Sofeel Hair Company. So stay tuned and watch me install this wig. So in my package, I received a wig cap, a measurement card, some eyelashes, a razor, and of course the wig itself. This was a 4x4 lace closure wig with transparent lace. So this wig was a body wave texture and was 180 density. I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. It came with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the back. It also came with the adjustable bands inside the wig as well. I'm just showing you guys how it looks on my skin. And this was transparent lace once again. So yeah, this was a nice highlighted wig. I'm just showing you guys how the outside of the wig is looking. It was 20 inches and was nice and full, I must say that. So we're gonna get into this install real quick. So today I'm going to be installing this wig on one of my friends. Her hair is already braided down with a middle part. So I'm going ahead and I'm cutting off the extra lace that's at the back. And I'm using the adjustable bands just to make the wig tighter. So I'm putting it on the last hook, as you can see. So I will be using a tint spray today and I will be tinting the lace. And once I've sprayed it on the lace, I just use my blow dryer to dry it. And then I'm going to now put the wig on her head. I use the comb to make sure it's in the middle and I pull the wig up. So the combs at the side, I will also be pulling it over her braid and putting it underneath. That way it keeps it secured and laid down. So for this install, I will be using my Ebin adhesive spray and I'm just going to spray it on the lace. So this is a 4x4 closure, so it's just the front part of her head. And I'm going to use a band and secure it down. That way it can dry. So I did use my blow dryer to dry it, so we're gonna do this real quick and come back. So once it's dried, I'm going to remove the band. And then I'm going to comb the hairline out. Exactly where I sprayed is exactly where I'm combing out because it is stiff. Then I'm going in with my scissors to make a cut, and I will be cutting the rest of the lace off with my razor. So once all the lace is off, I'm going back in with my adhesive spray and spraying the front portion and reapplying the band. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron her hair. I used my Dax and my BioSilk to put in the hair as well. So once I get to the lace portion, I'm going to be using my Paris hair wax stick and putting it on the top portion of the hair and following it with my hot comb. This is just to make the hair really flat and sleek. Alright guys, so once her hair is flat ironed, we decided to do a blunt cut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the ends of her hair. This is going to be a long blunt cut because I wanted to curl in the ends and make it look super cute. So we're just going to be doing a long blunt cut, just taking off a little bit of the ends. And anytime you cut the hair, you always want to make sure you go back in with the iron to follow it. So I am just going back in and curling the ends of her hair. And once I've done that, I'm going to remove the band that's holding down her lace, and we're gonna do some baby hairs. So basically for the baby hairs, you just want to part out what you are going to cut it. You can curl it or not, depending on how you feel. And then you are going to use your got2b free spray or your foam and create the baby hairs how you want it. So I decided to add some concealer to her part just to make it look a bit better. That's what you see me doing now with the end of my tail comb. And once that is done, your look is basically finished. So this is how the final look looked. We used some oil sheen and sprayed it on her hair. It looks so nice, so glossy, so sophisticated. Like, this look suited her so much. I loved it on her. So don't forget to check out Sofeel Hair Company. All the hair details will be down in my description box below. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this.